Looking for a beach towel that stands out and delivers on comfort? The magical unicorn beach towel promises just that, a vibrant splash of color and a soft, absorbent feel that makes every trip to the beach or pool a little more magical. If you want a towel that's both eye-catching and practical, this one might be exactly what you need. I picked up this towel as a gift, and what struck me first was the quality. Made from 100% premium cotton velour, it feels soft against the skin while drying quickly thanks to its microfiber, fiber-reactive fabric. It's not overly thick, but that's part of its charm, lightweight enough to pack easily, yet still highly absorbent. Whether you're laying it on the sand or wrapping it around after a swim, it handles the job well without feeling bulky or heavy. The size is another big plus. At 30 by 60 inches, it fits all ages comfortably. It's perfect for sunbathing, drying off, or just relaxing poolside. Plus, the bright, unique unicorn design adds a playful touch that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. It's a great conversation starter and a fun way to express your personality on sunny days. One of the best things about this towel is how easy it is to care for. Toss it in the washing machine without worry. It holds up well wash after wash, keeping its colors bright and fabric soft. This makes it a smart choice for anyone who wants a hassle-free, durable towel that still looks fantastic. If you know someone who loves spending time by the water, whether it's the beach, pool, or even just a bath at home, the magical unicorn beach towel makes a thoughtful and fun gift. It's a way to bring a little extra joy and color to their routine, and it's practical enough to be used daily. Worth a look if you're after a towel that combines style, function, and easy maintenance. If that's you, consider adding the magical unicorn towel to your summer gear. It's ready to brighten your beach days and keep you comfortable, no matter where the sun takes you. Ready to upgrade your beach essentials? The magical unicorn beach towel offers a perfect balance of softness, absorbency, and vibrant design. It's machine washable, lightweight, and sized to fit all ages, making it a versatile choice for anyone who loves the water. Try it when you're ready and see how it changes your sunny day experience.